Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how to install your new GenieFresh Bidet attachment. First things first, make sure to pause this video and check that the attachment you receive matches your order. Once you do that, make sure you have all of the parts needed for the installation. So the first step is to remove your current toilet seat. Every seat is different, but the general rule is to lift the back handles and remove the screws and wing nuts at the bottom. Next, place the bidet attachment and seat in the toilet and insert the bolts with the adjustable washers into the hinge. When placing the attachment, adjust the nozzle position as close to the rim of the toilet as possible. Now place the flat washers and wing nuts up onto the bottom of the screws. Step 4. Shut off your water supply to the toilet, then flush. Unscrew the water supply from the water tank. For this step, it might help to put some paper towels on the floor in case the tank drips water. This is completely normal. Step 5. Connect the T-connector adapter to the toilet tank. Make sure that the T-connector is moving up evenly so that it's as tight as possible. Step 6. Connect the inlet hose to the bidet and to the T-connector adapter, then connect your water supply to the bottom of the T-connector. Feel free to cut the inlet hose to your desired length so it can look as neat as possible. And there you go! You just added instant freshness to your bathroom experience. If you have any questions regarding your bidet or the installation process, make sure to contact us at cs@geniebidet.com or at 888-999-6241.